What's good, Josh? Homie, back again with another video. Oh snap, we got another video, and in today's video I have another item to unbox and review. What's the item? I don't even know if it's called an unboxing because it's not technically in the box, but boom, it's this thing right here. It is the anti-shock survival kit X number 3, whatever that means. I don't know. I'm really big on survival stuff, as you guys could tell. I have a couple of videos on my channel that I put together, the Dollar Tree survival kit slash first aid kit. Yeah, whatever that thing is. But anyways, I'm gonna cut through this and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. I also got this for $10 at my local home goods store. Ross. Yeah, so let's open it. I got my trusty scissors. If that doesn't work, my trusty switchblade. Don't do this at home. If you're underage, have a parent with you feel me? So yeah. Alright, cut this right here real quick. I don't know why they make this so thick, bro. Like, it's anti-shock already, so. Oh yeah, I switched up my setup. Now when I'm filming, I actually got a table to put my product on. I don't have to put it on the floor anymore. Man, this whole quarantine stuff is actually pretty cool. It gives me a lot of, like ideas, a lot of time to switch up everything. Enough of that rambling, let's get back to the product. So this is how it looks like right off the bat. So you get this little string holder thing, I don't know, put on your wrist. Maybe not. It's probably like to strap onto your bag, onto your backpack, whatever, easy access. All right, so this is probably ABS plastic or just your regular plastic. I don't know, but I think it's ABS since it's anti-shock proof, whatever. All right, let's get inside. So on this side right here, you get these two little clamps right there, or clamps. Ooh, the heck? Oh, all right, so you get 4 of them, 1 on each side and 2 in the front. Right there. Oh jeez. How does it look? Oh, that's pretty nifty. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera down so we could check this out together, all right? Oh snap, we vibing right now. All right, cool. So check it out. This is the box right here. We already opened it. Voila, so that's what it looks like inside. Let's go with this thing right here. All right, before I go into all this, everything is like wrapped up in plastic, so that's a good sign, except for this thing right here. It looks like somebody was like messing with it. I don't know. All right, let me just take all these out and then we'll go by them one by one. Oh, this is so cool. This is so titillating. All right. My bad. I'm sorry. What the heck is this? Okay, I think I know what this is. All right, so this is the case, the shell. That's how it looks like, really compact. Put that to the side. You get 7 items that is inside of this one box right here. All of these is what you will need for your essential tools for the outdoors. All right, so first one right here, I don't know what the heck this is. I'm gonna just open these. All right, okay, so I think this is your flint. I know because I watch a lot of YouTube on survival stuff. So I guess you take this right here and you go like that, but you have to do it hard, like that. Oh, I would test it for you guys, but I'm indoors and I don't want to make a mess, and I don't want to go outdoors because the dog hole, they co-work a little bit 18, 19, you feel me? Androids out there and stuff. But anyways, yeah, so this is your flint, your fire starter. So that's 1. We're gonna put that to the side. Up next, you will get this thing right here. I don't know what this is. Oh wait, yes I do. This will be your, oh snap, it's a whistle. I've never seen a whistle like this before. I'm always used to seeing those little ones. Okay, they work. Okay, I guess if you blow hard enough, then it'll be louder. So that's a whistle. That's pretty cool. I'm always a big fan of whistles. It's always good to have one, okay? So use that. If you heard that thing, that's my video. I'm just done editing it. Anyways, let's continue on. So next on the list, you got this thing right here. I believe this is a wired saw. You use this to cut like maybe those branch, freaking a rope or whatever. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Be careful, okay guys? All right. Cool, dang, this is pretty long. Whoa, well, that's what she said. You can use this as a weapon too, you feel me? Just kidding. You know, be nice to one another. Don't use this for injuring other people. Just use this for your survival, unless it gets down to that and you're being kidnapped or something. But yeah, but I can tell this is sharp. You can really cut something if you just really saw into the things or whatever you need to do to survive. Fish, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think that's really handy to have. Let's put that to the side. I'm no expert in any of these. I just like to open stuff and I go through things, okay? And also to have it just in case an apocalypse or whatever. So yeah. All right, next on the list, let's go with this thing right here. I keep picking this up. Oh, we're gonna get to that later. Okay, so you get this little cool little dude right here. This is a compass. Wow, I always wanted a compass. I have a hard time reading a compass. You know, since we have a lot of time on our hands, I can learn really quick. So yeah, and this is how you remember. NESW, never eat soggy waffles. There you go. I learned that in elementary school. Now you know. All right, let's go on to the next one. Boom, right here. You all know it. You all seen it. You all know what it is. I believe this thing right here is called a multi-tool to use for anything. Okay, so that's how you open it. Oh my God, did I break it? Oh, nope. I'm so bad with tools. What the heck? I forgot what this thing is called. Nope, it's not coming to my head. All right, so anyways, you get that thing. That's pretty cool to have. You know, pull out a bullet or, you know, a splinter or, you know, whatever, whatever you need. All right, let's get into it some more. So on this side right here, you get this little cool filing thingy or a little saw. I don't know what you want to call that. You get a can opener or a bottle opener, a bottle opener. You get a little screwdriver, so that's pretty cool. And you get a little knife, which is not sharp at all. You feel me? So yeah, it needs to be really sharp, or you need to sharpen it. My bad, it's really dull. And let's go on to the other side. The other side, you get, whoa, that's so cool. You get flashlight, which is not working. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? It has a battery in there. Wow, that's gonna be useless because I don't even know what kind of battery this is. Focusing, there you go. Yeah. Oh well, it says in the back, so I guess I can look it up on Amazon. Come on, baby, work for the camera, dog. Come on. Let there be light. Oh, baby, it works. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty bright, dude. For a little flashlight, that's pretty dope. Sorry, I don't want. Oh, sorry, I'm blinding you guys. Yo, okay, that's really good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. I like this. This multi. I clicked myself. See, kids, don't do this at home. God dang it. Boom, boom, boom. And that's compact. You can just put that in your wallet. Okay, not your wallet, but you know, your pockets, whatever. It's not gonna take up any space. All right, let's put that to the side. We're down to 2 items left. Let's get into this. All right, so this right here, I know a lot of you guys want to know what this is because I myself want to know what this is too. Oh my goodness, that was so loud. All right, so anyways, this is a little pouch. There's nothing else in it. See, there's nothing else. You get this little paper. I believe this is a manual. Oh, it shows you what's inside. So you can, it's a can opener, a knife edge, whatever that is, a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener. Oh my goodness, there's a whole bunch of stuff on the list. Here, I'll let you guys see it. Whoa, so that's what this thing can do. I don't really know how to use that. See that? It's also a multi-tool, whatever the slangs you guys use for this. But that's pretty cool too. I mean, oh, I can see it now. You know, you feel me? I don't know. That's pretty cool. Oh, and the stainless steel, so that's pretty nice. Not the best steel out there. All right, last but not least, you get this little pack right here. It looks like those Yu-Gi-Oh sleeves you put on your cards, but it's not. Okay. All right, so this, oh, I know what this is. You build like a little shelter to keep you warm and to keep like the rain off you and stuff like that. You just take this paper or plastic or whatever, this picnic table rug, I don't know, and you just throw it over and you keep yourself out of the elements of the earth. And I don't even know what to say, man. So yeah, that's what you get. Let me just stop myself in there before I make myself look more of a fool than I already am. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty cool to have. I would like to keep this on me. I see a lot of people using this in their the challenges, and I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. That's pretty nifty to have. I should get one too. A lot of them would use like those Dollar Tree, the picnic table little covers and stuff like that. That's what they use, and I guess this is pretty cool. I could see that water will bounce off of this, but it's really flimsy, so it's gonna fly away regardless. I guess this whole purpose is to keep you alive for like maybe a few days before help comes. So don't rely on this forever. You feel me? This is actually pretty cheap right here, so I guess you can use this a couple times before it breaks. And yeah, that's about it. That's all the stuff you guys get in this cool little compact survival kit X number 3. You feel me? But other than that, yeah, man. All right, and we are back. Man, that was actually really fun. I like anything that has to do with like survival stuff, and this right here was actually really interesting. I don't know if I would suggest this for anybody, but for 10 bucks and you get this cool little compact case, I really think you guys should give it a try. It's mostly on you guys. For me, I think it was worth it. Only 10 bucks, and you get 7 items plus a multi-tool. Oh, it's one of the multi-tool, man. And this to make fire. Bruh, you said you good. Hopefully this video helped you guys out in any way, and if it did, please smash that like button in the face. I totally ripped that off from Sniper Wolf. Sorry, can't take credit for that. If you guys do enjoy this video, please like it, subscribe for more content, because your boy is gonna go ham on this channel. All right, bro, calm down. Just take it easy, all right? Take it easy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking this video, subscribing, everything. Leave a lot of comments too. I read every single one, and I always reply to every single one as well, or I try to reply at least. So you guys be safe, keep it breezy, and now see ya in the future. Deuces. You know what I mean? Survival kit.